अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने ईरान जंग जारी रखने का ऐलान कर दिया। वाशिंगटन में कौम से खिताब में बावर कराया कि फौजी मकासद की तकमील के करीब हैं। अगले 2 से 3 हफ्तों में ईरान के खिलाफ खतरनाक कार्रवाइयाँ की जाएंगी। ईरान को वापस पत्थर के ज़माने में ले जाएंगे। सदर ट्रंप ने डील न करने की सूरत में पावर प्लांट्स और तेल तनसीबात पर सख्त तरीन हमलों की धमकी दी।
We are on track to complete all of America's military objectives shortly, very shortly. We are going to hit them extremely hard over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're going to bring them back to the Stone Ages where they belong. If there is no deal, we are going to hit each and every one of their electric generating plants very hard and probably simultaneously. We have not hit their oil, even though that's the easiest target of all, because it would not give them even a small chance of survival or rebuilding. But we could hit it, and it would be gone, and there's not a thing they could do about it. They have no anti-aircraft equipment. Their radar is 100% annihilated. We are unstoppable as a military force.